profit distribution projects of this tax capitulation are present to the parent of the shareholder contained in the tax structure. For all legal purposes, it will be understood that the losses affect the capital. The clause of the contract that frees some of the parents of any participation. The distribution of profit can be made on a month as long as the company's financial reports are generated. The legislation establishes that in order to authorize the distribution of the profit that at least 78%. Not only can the dividend be paid in monetary form, it can also be in kind. It's important to note that when is made an exhaustive analysis to value the correct application, it's important to take in account the fact and the circumstance of the moment.
Article 216 of the Income Tax Laws establishes the method for determination price for transactions with related parties. In each section 4 and 5 details the characteristics of the four-party method on the profit participant residual. This consists in assigning the operation profit obtained by related parties according to the proportion that would have been allocated between independent parties. This consists in assigning the operation profit obtained by related parties according to the proportion profit splitting method in RPU. This application may be considered in a transaction where both related parties contribution valued intangible assets. The main complication lies in the identification of the value of the intangible asset of the contributors of the case party is developed. In RPU, this application may be considered in transactions where both related parties contribute valued intangible assets, resulting in support operating profit for the group. The base in analysis shows the sum of the profit generated by each party in the operation. In this sense, care must be taken in the mechanics in which is the DCD or distribution report. The OECD, while the lines state that the distribution of profits may be through a figure based on the evidence of the comparable uncontrolled operation or based on another variable. It is important to mention that for more than one criterion selects, the value of each of these will have to be weighted separately in the order to contribute to the overall result that they will distribute. Relevant factors for your application: the function analysis of the intercompany operation, the mechanism that will select to the determination the profit to distribution, and that is necessary to determine it before carrying out the intercompany operation. A priori step, the criteria for splitting the profit and the value step.